In this video, we're going to talk about how do you make money from Instagram monetization features. And I'll talk about two different features that you can use to make money from Instagram. Let's jump into it. Actually, before we do that, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. Let's go to Instagram and I'm going to mute the volume, so you can hear me properly. So once you go to your account, how do you access the monetization feature? So you can go to the settings too, but you can simply go through the professional dashboard. So click on professional dashboard, and then if you scroll down, you're gonna see your tool. This is where all the monetization tools are gonna be. For example, this account, here are three different monetization features: bonuses, ads on reels, and ads in profile feed. Bonuses is not active, it's not available in 2024. So you can see past bonuses. We've made money from bonuses in the past, and sometime it was actually really good. $700. Look at this, $500, $1,000, $1,700. So it was good money from bonuses, but bonuses program is done. It's no more. The two features I want to talk about today is ads on reels and ads in profile feed. These two features. So ads on reels is when you post reels on your Instagram feed, you get paid for the ads that are shown on those. This is kind of like YouTube's program. If you go to approximate earnings, you can see recently we haven't been posting much, but $2.32. And I can see individually some of these reels, how much money is being made. Look at this. So I can see, I can track my earnings from ads on reels program. Again, the way you make money from this program is you just keep on posting reels on your Instagram account and you will make money. So for example, if I go here, you can see some of these reels here, they are getting these views. And then we make money. For example, this reel right here, 2.3 million views. I can go to insights and then see how much money was made from that reel. Look at this. So cool. All right, let's go back and check the other monetization feature. The first one was ads on reels. We're gonna go back, and the new one, the second feature is actually brand new. It's ads in profile feed. And I just activated this. So we're not gonna see any earnings. If I go inside earnings, we're probably not gonna see anything there for now because I just activated this on my profile. But the way this works is we can see it here. People, when they go to your profile, so let's say they open a piece of content, and now when they scroll on your profile feed, they're gonna see ads like this, and you will get paid based on these ads. So you can see here, ads won't appear on your grid, but will be shown between the content in your profile feed. The more people view these ads, the more money you make. So two awesome features, monetization features you can use to make money on Instagram: ads on reels and ads in profile feed. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And now let's watch this next video together. Bye for now.